Gachagua's lawyer, Njiru, was in court to defend his claim regarding the impeachment passed against him.
I'm well, my lords.
You have 10 minutes.
My lord, I'll try to do the best within the time allocated.
All right.
My lord, my lady, my lords, permit me to join issues with the earlier submissions made by my learned friends. And permit me, my ladies, my lords, to submit that my submissions will majorly deal.
Can you join issues on the same side? Join issues? We haven't submitted.
What problem do you have with that, Professor Gender?
My lord, join issues means he's on the opposing side, but he's supporting the applications as framed. So I don't know whether it is simply a question of not knowing that we haven't spoken, perhaps. He's running low on sugar.
My lord, the presiding judge, you made an important point that we are Africans.
I think let Njiru proceed.
And he will have his time to speak the right English when his time comes. My ladies, my lords, my submissions will deal with the aspects of public interest in respect to the reason why the court must sustain the conservatory orders as granted by his Justice Mongo and Justice Mwita. Your Lordship, permit me to begin by drawing your attention to the dictates of Article 3, which requires every person to uphold and protect the Constitution from being violated. My lady, my lords, the Constitution that we are here to protect this afternoon is a document that is progressive in nature and that seeks to protect individuals who either serves in government or out government in whatsoever organ. My lords, in my address, I'll majorly deal with the question of the purported nomination of Professor Kithure Kindiki and whether the lifting of the conservatory orders will culminate into his swearing in and what that means in respect to the provisions of the Constitution. My ladies, my lord, it is clear that a purported process took place in Parliament that culminated into a name being forwarded to Parliament for voting. My ladies, my lords, it is important for us to interrogate the circumstances that led to the forwarding of this name, and whether or not that process is confirmed with the dictates of the Constitution. My ladies, my lords, on the 18th of October, we walked to what my learned friend Mr. Ongoya submitted on a memorandum by the President. The said memorandum, my ladies, my lords, indicates that the President sought approval and confirmation from the Independent Electoral and Boundary Commission. And the answer that he got was sufficient enough to afford him the courage to forward the name for voting in Parliament. But the question, my ladies, my lords, that begs an answer is, did the IBC possess the requisite constitutional capacity to submit or approve the said name for purposes of voting in Parliament? My ladies, my lords, the answer to that will be found in Article 88, as read together with Article 99 and Article 137 of the Constitution. Article 88, my ladies, my lords, creates the Electoral and Boundary Commission. And in the same article, my ladies, my lords, creates the functions of the said commission. You'll also find the same answer, my ladies, my lords, in the amended IBC Act. Most importantly, Section 10 and Section 11, which I'll be dealing with in the near future. My ladies, my lords, Article 99, as read together with Article 137, provides the qualifications for an individual to hold the office of the president and by extension the office of the deputy president. It is important to note, my ladies, my lords, that in the event anything happens and the current president is incapable of executing the functions of office of the president, the purported name, if sworn in, will be the person to take over. But will he have met the necessary requisite qualifications? And who is mandated to ensure that these qualifications are met? We submit, my ladies, my lords, that the only constitutional organ capable of executing that functions is the Independent Electoral and Boundary Commission. The court will take judicial notice, my ladies, my lord, that the commission as currently constituted falls lack of the commissioners. And the question therefore, my ladies, my lords, in the event the commission is called upon to evaluate the qualifications under Article 99 and Article 139, so that then, my ladies, my lords, a name can be submitted in Parliament for voting, who then is capable of doing that in the absence of the commissioners? My ladies, my lords, we submit that IBC as currently constituted can only execute administrative functions and it has no capacity or ability to execute the function under Article 99 as read together with Article 137 of the Constitution. Ladies, my lords, the Constitution as read together with the IVC Act has created distinct functions that for the commissioners and the secretariat. And you'll find
Robert Ngeno, reporting for Bororiet TV.